today's topic is introduction of linear equation in one variable. Constant is a symbol which has a fixed value. Example, 5 or minus value we can take, any root value we can take, or any mixed fraction or fraction, any value we can take. This is called constant. Constant means the value will not be changed. It is a fixed value. Next one, we are going to see a variable. Variable means a symbol which does not have any fixed value but may be assigned value according to the requirement is called a variable. Example, from A to Z, any letters we can take, that is like P, Q, X, Y, Z or A, B, like this. Now, a combination of constant and variable is called a term. That is like 5p or minus 7x plus square root of p or 5a plus 2b plus 3c, like this. If we have only one term, this is called monomial. If we have two terms, this is one term, this is one more term. If we have two terms, this is called binomial. Here I have 5a is one term, 2b is second term, 3c is third term. So this is called trinomial. A single term or a combination of both or more terms connected by adding or subtracting or multiplicating or division symbols form an algebra. In this expression, 5 is constant, x is variable. Another example, I have 2x minus 3. In this 2x also I have, minus 3 also I have. So, I have two terms in this. Two terms if I have, this is called binomial. Here also I have 3x plus y. So, I have two terms. This is also called binomial. In this example, I have 2xy plus 5 plus 3z. So, I have this is one term, second term, third term. So, we have three terms. So, it is called trinomial. So, this everything is called polynomial. Here I have four terms, that is xyz plus x plus y plus z. So, here I have x, y, z, three variables I have in this. In this I have x, y, z, three variables. Here x and y I have two variables. Here I have only one variable, it is x. In this I have x square plus 1. But in this everything powers are only 1. Here I have highest power is 2. But here only one variable I have. Here y plus y square. So I have only one variable, the highest power is 2. What do you observe from this 2? This we have only 5x. Here we have 5x equal to 25. So in this both, this all is called expression. This is equation. We have here variable. This is equality sign. The left hand side of the equality sign LHS. Right hand side of the equality sign is called RHS. When we have left hand side equal to right hand side, then we will get value of this variable. It is called solution. Suppose 5x equal to 25. When we will divide your left hand side divided by 5, right hand side also we have to do the same thing. Numerator 5, denominator 5 will get cancelled. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Therefore, x value we got 5. This is called solution. The general formula of linear equation is ax plus b equal to 0. Here x is called variable. A and b is constant. Always in linear equation, power of the variable will be 1. Example, 2x minus 3 equal to 9. So 2x equal to 9 is there in this side. So minus 3 will go to this side, positive 3. So we'll add this both. It is 12. So 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 divided by 2. So the value of x is 6 because 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Therefore the solution of x equal to 6.